Am I showing this Velocity helicopter? This is up to model helicopter 3D Philips. This is the remote for that. And I am from Nagar Municipal Colony. This is the new model flying Velocity plane HX3808 flying the driving car. That's now this is so flying. That's good. This is really, I may have experienced to 2,500 rupees. This is 2,500 on Arjun scene Flipkart. I'll show. Now they put 1,138. See now. Oh my God. Easel. Oh. See now this is the remote control, up and down, analogy, instruments, ABCD controls, off, on, right, left. Now I'm going to on. Now see, this is I'm going to on this minute controls. See. Now it's on. That on. This is camera 4 into K.
20% power irukka. 20% power left in iru.
Enadhu?
20% power irukka.
Adukku cancel panninga video.
Cancel nu kudutha. Adha cancel nu kudutha. Idu on la da irukku. Idu on poitu irukku.
Okay, this is I sorry for this. Now I on this. The light come. The RC cables. Now I keep here. Now see, should on this. On the red color button. Now I'm going to move on there. I'm going to control the gun. See. Now I'm going to control this. Come on, let's go up. See, it's the RC cable control. You take my hand?
Yes.
No, don't take my hand. Take only the helicopter. Take it down. Only take the helicopter, okay? Take only the helicopter. See this helicopter. Oh, that's charge left. See, charge left. See, I'm going to go inside the hand. So powerful. Oh my God, that's paining. See, now charge left. See the light gum dim. Okay, friends. Thank you for this model. Velocity helicopter Flipkart. Thank you for this model. Thank you. And this helicopter. Thank you for this model. Arjun, please see this model.